What is going on, guys? Welcome to a PS5 tutorial. Now guys, this is something that I've been wondering for a while on how to do this, and it's to switch from game chat or from party chat to game chat. So guys, first of all, what you guys want to do is hit the PlayStation button. Now you guys want to go to the party that you guys are in. I already have a created party here. I'm in a party right now. So what you guys want to do, whatever party you're in, press the PlayStation button, press game base, go to the party that you're in, and press view voice chat. Once you guys go over to view voice chat, you guys will see you guys are in a party. You guys see my microphone's moving in a party right there to the right. Once you guys click this, you guys want to click on the name of the person you guys are on a party chat with. So let's say I click this right here, it says Jasmine Walker, or it says game chat. Once I go to game chat, you guys can see I'm not talking in the party no more, and once we go over here, we're talking now in the game chat. So like, say if I have people up in here, we'll be now talking in the game chat. So that's how you switch it, guys, from game chat to party chat. If you guys want to go over back to the party chat, all you guys want to do is so you guys have to hit switch, my bad. So you guys have to hit switch. So click on that, click on the name, and then hit switch. Once you guys hit switch, you guys will be in the game chat. So now you guys are officially in the game chat. Now when you guys talk, you guys will be in the game chat talking to whoever it is you guys got to talk to. And then if you guys want to go back to the party chat, same thing where it says here, all you guys want to do is hit switch. So see right there, hit switch. Now we're back in the party. Voice chat switched. So now we're back in the party talking to whoever's in the party with us. Very easy. Very easy, very simple, very hard and tricky to figure out at first. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like, at first I was like, yo, how do I do this? But figured it out, and I wanted to help you guys out with that tip. There's a lot of different stuff that you do on the PlayStation 5 this year. Just the whole the whole thing's a little different. But that's gonna be it for this. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Appreciate it, and God bless. Catch you guys in the next one. God bless.